Hi, today in front of me UleFone M17 Pro, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the home screen with a finger, and then on the left down corner you'll see widgets icon. Now just select the screen where you want to add the widgets, so tap on the widgets, and here you'll see all of the available applications which widgets you can add. For example, we can see that the calendar application got two different types of the widgets, the full month view and the shadow. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it to your home screen by this way. If you want to resize the widget, hold it for a while. And now we should just make it bigger or smaller. And just to move widget on the screen or between the screens, or to create the new screens with the widget, you should just hold it and drag it. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.